permanent residency options for international students in Canada. Yes, that's today's topic for Ed Talks. Now, Canada has emerged as a top study destination for international students seeking quality education and promising career prospects. Beyond the academic journey, there lies a plethora of pathways leading to permanent residency, offering a gateway to a bright future in this diverse and welcoming nation. Now, it's very important that you don't make the mistake of getting advice from unauthorized agents or ignorant counselors and choose the wrong program. While you may get a student visa for that program, what value does it hold in the Canadian labour market should be the answer you're looking for. By now, it's very clear that deep skilled trades like resource drilling are 100% placement oriented, and those choosing to study in STEM, healthcare, hospitality, tourism, childcare, construction, etc., would have a head start over the others in the job market, and with experience, may be in line for a faster permanent residency. Well, there's a lot of talk on tweaking the current point system to identify more economically productive candidates with a high earning potential for a prosperity-driven immigration system in Canada. So, it's likely to evolve towards weighing the type and quality of skill, field of study, education program, and in-demand career outcomes, moving away from a generalist assessment. Now, studying abroad can be an incredible journey if your focus is on what value and skill you can contribute as countries evolve their policies and change goalposts. It's also vital to recognize the critical role of RCIC for you to seek serious and authentic guidance from. Such expertise is invaluable in navigating the evolving complexities of Canada's immigration system. Don't leave your Canadian dream to chance. Choose a representative approved by the Canadian Government Law. Mr. Anurag Sandhu, CEO at Canan, is a registered RCIC, ensuring you receive the right guidance to move confidently towards your dream. Now, a note of caution here. Upon completing your studies, transitioning to an open work permit such as the PGWP is pivotal. We have posted a couple of detailed videos on PGWP and how to avoid goof-ups. You could revisit those videos to get more insights. PGWP not only allows you to gain valuable Canadian work experience, but also enhances your eligibility for various permanent residency programs. With that background in mind, now let's check out the 5 popular permanent residency options for students in Canada. First is the Express Entry program. Now, the Express Entry system is a common route for skilled workers and foreign graduates. It assesses candidates based on several factors like age, education, work experience, language proficiency, and adaptability. Now, international graduates can qualify under the Canadian Experience Class or the Federal Skilled Workers Program, which is FSWP, by meeting specific criteria, including at least 1 year at 30 hours of work per week of experience in any of the Tier 0, 1, 2, or 3 occupations, and Level 7 in English or French language proficiency. Second is the Provincial Nominee Program, the PNP. Canada's provinces offer PNPs to accommodate foreign graduates, often prioritizing them for nomination. Now, each province has its own nominee program with multiple streams. PNPs provide a direct path to permanent residency for those who meet provincial requirements and receive a nomination. Many students find that this is an easier pathway for their particular profile. You can get the details on the cic.gc.ca website. Third is the Atlantic Immigration Program, AIP, aimed at addressing labor shortages in Atlantic provinces and facilitates the hiring of qualified foreign workers and recent graduates. It's a joint initiative between the 4 Atlantic provinces, New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, and Newfoundland and Labrador, and the Canadian government. Students who have taken up studies from any public institutes in these provinces can secure permanent residency through this program, contributing to regional economic development. Now, you need to get the detailed eligibility criteria from the government website or an RCIC. The fourth is Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot, RNIP. Designed to attract immigrants to smaller communities, the RNIP offers pathways to permanent residency for international graduates of Canadian public institutions in these regions. Participating communities set their own eligibility criteria. Currently, the purpose of RNIP is to draw immigrants to Canada's 11 smaller communities, and the program is now expanding to include more communities. This program is now permanent and is called Rural Immigration Program or RIP. Fifth is Agriculture and Agri-Food Pilot, addressing labor shortages in the agriculture sector. This pilot program offers skilled workers a pathway to permanent residency. It targets specific industries and occupations and has been extended until May 2025. The program, which targets workers in animal, greenhouse crop, and meat processing, aims to meet the sector's labor demands to ensure long-term settlement. In conclusion, Canada offers a multitude of pathways to permanent residency for international students, ranging from express entry and PNPs to specialized programs like RNIP, AIP, and the Agriculture and Agri-Food Pilot. It's essential to plan your immigration journey strategically from your program of study to the region in Canada for maximizing opportunities for a successful transition to PR in this vibrant and inclusive country. Watch out for our various education fairs and admissions workshops. At these events, you will have the opportunity to interact with Mr. Anurag Sandhu, our CIC, and ask your burning questions to gain clarity on your pathway to permanent residency. Save the date for our upcoming events in your city this June. Our events will be held from June 5th to June 15th in various cities. Make sure to register for our international education fairs at www.canamgroup.com to reserve your spot for a meaningful career outcome. Do subscribe below and follow us on our socials.